Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce to you the latest omnidirectional Raspbot V2 robot car launched by Raspbot. It is an open-source AI vision car for beginners. Adopt Mecanum wheel chassis, Raspberry Pi 5 as main control, with high-definition camera, combining OpenCV image processing library and media pipe machine learning framework. Raspbot V2 can realize color recognition, target tracking, license plate recognition, autopilot, face recognition, gesture recognition, and other functions. Here are all the parts of Raspbot V2. Title we are showing with Raspberry Pi 5 4GB version. Users can choose without Raspberry Pi, with per Raspberry Pi 5 2GB, or Raspberry Pi 5 8GB. The chassis adopts metal material, which is strong and durable. Equipped with 4 omnidirectional wheels, it can achieve omnidirectional movement. There is an ultrasonic module in the front. There is an RGB colorful light strip at the rear. Users only need to install robot driver board, Raspberry Pi and other sensors. No need complicated assembly steps, easy to install. Here is a 2D OF camera PTZ, it can rotate up, down and left right. Comes with a 1MP 110-degree wide-angle camera module. Raspbot V2 car can complete visual tracking function. Here is Raspberry Pi 5 robot driver board. It communicates with the Raspberry Pi 5 via iPhone C and supports 5V divided by 5A power supply protocol of Raspberry Pi 5. Here is infrared remote control. The robot driver board possesses infrared receiver, which supports control robot car by infrared remote controller. This is battery and battery box cover. 2200mAh lithium battery can provide longer working time. Dual Type-C adapter. Connect to Raspberry Pi and drive board to power supply Raspberry Pi 5. This is for channel tracking module with for high precision infrared probes. This is a cooling fan and some wires. This is a body bracket. An OLED already installed on it. This is a charger for PCS blocks that can be used to complete some more visual functions. Next, let's assemble it. Now, we have assembled robot car. Let's quickly experience it. Raspbot V2 can be controlled by app. After the car starts, we only need to connect to the car, building Wi-Fi hotspot. Then we can control car by app. The app include multiple sensors functions, can monitor sensor status in real time. In addition to mobile phone app, Raspbot V2 also supports infrared and PC computer remote control. The most distinctive feature of Raspbot V2 is its AI vision function. It can recognize QR codes, machine codes, R codes, and can accurately recognize colors, faces, body postures, even finger joint movements, and can also recognize license plates. By combining visual recognition with chassis movement, the car can also perform AI visual interaction functions. For example, camera PTZ can track faces, colors, and TED codes, drive the car to follow faces, colors, and TED codes. Raspbot V2 supports 2 tracking modes: complete visual line tracking, or tracking by 4-channel tracking sensor at the bottom of car. With autonomous driving map, car can complete AI autonomous driving function. It can identify road signs and traffic lights and make corresponding decisions based on the recognition results while tracking. Raspbot V2 also supports ROS development, Built in RAS environment, Yapum provides some RAS AI vision cases, simplifies the RAS learning path, making it easier for beginners to get started with RAS development. Raspbot V2 AI vision car uses Raspberry Pi 5 as the main control unit, equipped with a Mecanum wheel metal chassis, Raspberry Pi 5 robot driver board, 2D OLED camera PTZ, ultrasonic sensor, 4-channel tracking sensor, OLED, and so on. It can realize Mecanum wheel motion control, sensor functions, visual recognition and interaction, RAS robot control. From basic driving to advanced visual applications to theoretical knowledge, it takes users to easily learn robots and visual technology. It is very suitable for beginners and enthusiasts who are interested in AI vision and robotics technology.